Hello guys, and welcome back on here again my recipe videos, and this is boli that we're making today. Some people like to call it bole, but we call it boli in like the western part of Nigeria. In the south part they call it bole and stuff like that. So I like to my boli to be hard, like not hard, like freshly ripe plantain, while some people like their boli very soft. I do not like it soft. Everybody's preference is different, so I already preheated my oven and we're going to just put it in the oven on, and our oven is set on low heat. Unfortunately I do not have a temperature checker, but I just set it on low heat. So, and I'll just line them up, the way you enjoy your boli with the roadside traders, that they blow it with the charcoal, they roast it with charcoal fire. And so if you can't get that at this moment, why not just try it at home if you're craving boli, and just roast it. So I just go back and forth, every 5 to 10 minutes I check, but at most it should cook within 45 minutes, because you need to keep turning it like the way those people turn it on the charcoal fire. So you keep turning it, so, and it should be on low heat so it can cook. You don't want it to just get brown without cooking inside. Your plantain has to cook now, so that steaming process inside, that's why your oven should be on low heat, and within 45 minutes it should be ready. And so that is it. Some people love to enjoy their boli with fish, some people with palm oil, but I love to enjoy my own with granules, because in Lagos we enjoy it with granules, while some other part of Nigeria they enjoy it with palm oil and fish, but we enjoy it with granules. And our boli is ready. It doesn't take much time, it's just a simple recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe and all the good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. Yeah, yeah.